Question 2. Find the possible values of h if the graphs of the following functions touch the x-axis at only one point. Okay, if it only touches at one point, that means we have two equal roots. That means our b square minus 4ac must equal to 0. Okay, let's look at A. So our A is 1, B is negative 2h, and C will be 2 plus h. Okay, so A is always the coefficient of x squared, B will be the coefficient of x, and C will be the constants where there is no x. So we put all this in our equation. Negative 2h square minus 4ac equal to 0. Then from here we can find the value of h lah. So this is 4h square. Negative 4 times 2 is minus 8 minus 4h equal to 0. Okay, looks like we have a quadratic equation here. So we rearrange first and then we simplify. So the whole thing can be divided by 4. H square minus h minus 2 is 0. This one you can factorize using your calculator. So you get 1, negative 1, and negative 2. So our h is negative 1 and h is 2. Don't forget to put them in the bracket. This is part of your working. So h plus 1 and h minus 2. This will be our values of h. Done. Alamak. Okay. Then we look at B. B is the same thing. So they already nicely separated this for us. So A is 1. B is this whole thing. And C is this. Okay, C is this whole thing because all these got no x. And B is this whole thing because all these are the coefficient of x. And same for A lah. So B square, B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Negative h plus 3 whole thing you must square minus 4ac equal to 0. So if we square this, the negative square will become positive. So it's just h plus 3 square lah. So this will give us h square plus 2 times h times 3, which is 6h, plus 3 square. Here, negative 4 times 3h, negative 12h, negative 4 times 1, negative 4. Then we simplify this. 6 minus 12 is minus 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then we factorize this. A is 1, B is negative 6, and C is 5. So H is 1, and H is 5. H minus 1, H minus 5. So these will be our two values of H. That's it.